Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my another video. And last time we worked to make our design more beautiful, and this time is also more related to design, but not really, because we are going to be adding one more field to the database. So whenever you try to add a field to the database, you remember that if you already have content in the database, it's going to be conflicting. So for right now, let's add an image, and we'll just add a URL field because we are not going to be uploading image for this website. We're just going to be using a URL that can point to an image. And then, okay, let's just, after creating any field, you need to run migrations. Okay, it didn't work. Make migrations. Okay, here is the conflict. It says provide one of default value now, or quit and let me add default in models.py. So let me show you how you can do by adding in models.py. You can simply say default is none, so we don't need it anything right now. And we can also set it to set the null to be true. If we don't have the image to it, then we don't have to worry about it. And now let's run migrate, and there you go. Worked pretty fine. Let's run the server. And then let's go to our admin panel. As you can see, there's a new field saying image. So let's try to add the poster of the Dark Knight. Let's go to any of the images over here. Let's say open image new tab. We'll just copy it, paste it over here, and save it. Let's just do the same for the other movies as well. So Jojo Rabbit, copy it, paste it, save it. 1917. Go to images, open a new tab, copy it, and paste it. So now that all of our movies have image, let's just try to display it in the index.html. So what we'll do is inside the card body, we'll just add a image tag, and the source is going to be movie.image, and we'll say the class is img fluid, image fluid. And let's just try to reload it, and as you can see, it's displaying the poster really good. So okay, let's try to give it a width of 25%. Let's see if it works, or we could increase it more to 75, I guess. And there you go, it looks pretty good. And let's just try to put it in text center. So everything is going to be in text center, so we'll just cut it out and put it over here, and then get rid of this. Hopefully it's look better, and it looks pretty cool. Hey, there you go. There you go, the movies with the image, the title, and let's put this read more in the text center as well. We'll get rid of this. Over here, reload it, and there you go, read more. And this looks pretty good. Let's just try adding one more movie to it, and we'll say The Shawshank Redemption. Test user test. Today's date, we'll give it a 10. Shawshank Redemption. Images. We'll just copy it, paste it, save it, and view it, and there you go. It looks pretty good. So whenever we add movies, it just makes a groups of 3, because all of these sums up to 12, and then keeps on adding. So it looks pretty good. So let's try to work on our details page. Let's go to the details page, and we forgot to give it a card body. We'll just go ahead and give that, and it should give more padding. Yep, it did. So over here we are going to say image dot image fluid, and then the source is gonna be movie dot image alternative text. Let's give it a movie dot name. Okay, let's see that, and that looks pretty good. So let's try to go to another movie, Jojo Rabbit, read more, and yeah, it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Yep. And then we'll give the movie title over here. We'll give it a heading 3 dot text center. We'll say movie dot name, and we'll give it a paragraph saying movie dot description, and then we'll give it a, let's say, heading 5 saying director and we'll give another heading saying the cast. So movie.cast, and we'll have a rating as well. We'll say rating. Okay, so let's reload it, and as you can see, test user, cost is utest, and the rating. So what is the field for the rating? It is average rating, my bad. So we'll go to details. Instead of that, we'll do average rating, and there we go. Let's go check for other movies, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So that was it for this video. You guys learned how to, add field to the database, and learn more about the design. And in our next videos, we'll discuss more about what we can do with Django. And until next time, thanks for watching.